Let us define advertising. The word advertising is derived from Latin word advertere, which means to turn attention. Definition by American Marketing Association. Any paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor is advertising. Let us analyze the key terms. Paid form, non-personal presentation, ideas, goods and services. Fourthly, identified sponsor. Paid form refers to the fact that advertiser pays to buy time and space in media. Non-personal presentation means that the advertiser is using mediated form of communication, that is, via media. It simply means that there is no face-to-face interaction between the advertiser and his consumer. Idea can be defined as a concept to change mindset, attitude, behavior and lifestyle. Goods, on the other hand, are tangible and transfer ownership. Services are intangible, you cannot touch it, it is experienced. According to Webster, advertising is to give public notice or to announce publicity. According to Gardner, advertising is the means of mass selling that has grown up parallel with and has been made necessary to mass production. According to Wheeler, advertising is any form of paid, non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services for the purpose of inducting people to buy. Objectives of advertising. Trial. It involves convincing the customers to buy the new product introduced in the market. Continuity. It is all about keeping the existing customers to stick to the product. For this, the advertisers generally brings something new in the product and the advertisement so that the existing customers keep buying their product. Brand switch is for those companies who want to attract the customers of the competitors. Switching back, the companies who want their previous customers back who have switched to their competitors. The advertisers uses different ways to attract the customers back, like discount sales, new advertisement, some reworking done or packaging, etc. Role of advertising can be categorized into 4 groups: marketing role, communication role, economic role and societal role. Marketing role. Identify the maker of the good. Provide their commercial information. Create the product demand by hard sell approach and soft sell approach. Second, communication role. It is a form of mass communication. It gives information to connect buyers and sellers in the market. It informs and transforms the product and creates an image beyond straightforward facts. Economic role. It helps the consumer to assess value, that is price, quality, location and reputation. Advertising creates economic impact by stimulating the sales and also it stimulates the competition. Societal role. It informs about new and improved products, helps to compare products and its features, informs about innovations and issues, express personalities and style, that is thing we wear and use, mirrors fashion and design trends, aesthetic sense. Educational role. It gives information about new products and how to use them. It shapes the self-image by setting up the role models we identify with them. Functions of advertising. It builds awareness of the products and brand, creates a brand image, provides product and brand information, persuades people to buy the product, use the services and follow an idea. It provides incentives to take action, provides brand reminder and reinforces past purchase and brand experiences. Key players in advertising. Advertiser, media, ad agency, vendors or suppliers and target consumer. Advertiser is the person who wants to communicate about his products to the target consumer. He is the one who pays money to get the product advertised. Media is a channel through which the message is disseminated to the world. Ad agency creates, designs and places ads in media. Vendors or suppliers are those who assist ad agencies and media in creating and placing the ads. For example, studios, camera.
Created using Powtoon.